Are you having problems with your Xrecorder screen recorder with internal audio, sound problems, stuff like that? You done turn the volume up and you still can't get it right? Well, I got an alternative solution for you guys, right? So what you can do is you can go over here to desktop video, vertical video, right? And what this does is it allows you to do the same thing that you do on your phone, but you can do it on your desktop or laptop, and you can record videos and stuff like that for your business and upload them to TikTok, uh, YouTube Short, even on Facebook Reels, guys. So you don't even need your phone to start recording videos for your business. And if you would like to know more about this, I want you to click that link in the description and get you signed up, guys. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'm see you in the next one. Bye bye.